Oh my.
Very good. Good. Very good.
What is going on, guys and girls? Welcome back to the Crack Addicts YouTube channel, home to chiropractic media. If you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do. If you do enjoy chiropractic content like this, before we get into the video, if you want to skip the commentary, go straight to 1 minute and the video will roll out from there. Anyway, getting into today's video, guys and girls, we've got another big chiropractic adjustment compilation. If you want to check out any of the chiropractors, their links will be in the description where you can get in contact with them if you want to book appointments or go and get treatment done from them. That's how you can do that. If you didn't check out yesterday's video, I'll have a link to that in the description where you can check it out. It got a very good response, and I'll throw it up on the screen now so you can see where it is. Make sure you leave a comment in this video. I want to see loads of comments. I want to see your reactions to the video. If you enjoy it, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll let the footage roll now, and I'll see you on the next one. Next up is Dr. Scott Hoare.
Wow. So I was just releasing some muscles there in your upper cervical spine, and obviously there was those pops, so
Yeah.
those joints really wanted to get released. What I want to do is bring you right over here, and there will be a little sudden thrust, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good. Drop your head. Good.
Oh my.
Very good.
That's so scary.
It was scary? Did it hurt?
No, not at all. It's just scary. It was so loud.
Okay, good. And now we'll go right on over here. I'm also doing the segments right at the top of your neck, which they're so close to your ear, you know. All right, let that go. Good. Very good. I'm going to give you a little yank here. Good. Where the nerve comes out of there so that you can get a little bit better function. Relax. Good.
Okay.
So we'll go right in there and I'll thrust into it, okay?
Okay.
Good. Let that go. Good. Hold it right there. Rib cage and shoulder girdle underneath your shoulder blade. Good. All right, so relax here, and I'm going to thrust down like that.
Okay.
Deep breath. Breathe on out.
Oh.
Very good. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm going to pull your elbow out.
Okay.
Don't let... Good. 2?
No, it just feels really weird.
Yeah. Good. All right. Good. Thumb pinky, pulling apart. Ready, go. Much better. We'll do that elbow pulling out thing, like that. Ready, go. Not so strong.
That was worse.
Yeah. All right, put your left palm in your ear. Good.
I like my left.
Okay. Relax your elbow. Breathe out. Oh, good.
Wow.
Sometimes it feels good, sometimes it does not. All right, pull it out. Don't let me. Ready? Go. Stronger.
Better.
Good. Good. Hold it right there. Pushing out. Don't let me. Ready? Go. Nothing. That way. Don't let me. Nothing. So the left hip is a little bit restricted. I'm going to do a little adjustment here. Good. Good. And that opened it up a little bit. And that hurts.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll do a little manipulation there. Good. Okay, do a manipulation. Good. It already went. Okay, lay on your back. Right in here. And that's ready to go, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Lay on your back. Muscle test. Pushing down and out. Don't let me go. Much better. Down and out. Don't let me. Ready, go. Full adjustment where I kind of yank you here. Can you hold onto the table? That's perfect. Good. And then we'll do that over here. Try to relax. Yep.
Next up is Dr. Joseph Cipriano.
Okay.
Yep, doesn't feel like that when I do it.
Take a deep breath in and out. Good. One more time, a little bit lower. Deep breath in and out. Good, 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 good. I'm going to rotate you this way. Good. There it was. Go because when you have a herniation, this position, you don't want to do a very forceful side posture technique, just because it's an awkward kind of way that your body is positioned. Good. Flip to the other side. Yeah, your body would know if that needed to really move. That would have moved. That's why these ones I don't really like to force. Let me just bring that arm. There you go. Just like that. And then lay on your back for me. Alright, from here, relax your legs. We're going to do the leg pull. Come on up. Let's go forward from me. Perfect. Okay. One arm up. Other one up. Deep breath in and out. Good. Already cleared. And you can relax right there. I'm just going to first slide you up to your knees hit. Perfect. Deep breath in and out.
Started from the bottom and then it kind of went all the way up.
Next up is Dr. Gregory Johnson.
That's it.
It's like you're going in a roller coaster
Yeah,
where you're going
yeah.
up to down
Yeah.
and down. Not
But he's still kicking.
Yeah. Oh fuck.
Tilt left. That's it. Perfect. Boy, those went a lot smoother. Perfect. Yes, sir. And Christopher's got so much muscle you can't even hear all his cracking. But this is going to be a From Russia with Love ring dinger.
I'm afraid. I'm scared.
For Russia.
Everybody's always scared first time in.
Okay.
Just keep your teeth together. Don't talk. Breathe through your nose. There it is, right there. Yes, ma'am. Keep breathing.
Oh my God.
Keep breathing. See, I told you you'd still be kicking.
I feel it from
Keep
here
breathing. Yeah, I
Did
told
it
you
go all the way
would be
down?
those- Oh
Did it
yeah,
make it all the way?
absolutely.
Yeah?
to
Sure.
here.
Sure it did.
Like
Yeah.
my lower back.
Okay, now I'm gonna get your
It
neck.
hurts.
Okay, just relax in my hand. Tilt left. There you go. Now tilt right. That's a girl. Perfect. Your teeth together. Don't bite your tongue. There it is, right there. That was absolutely perfect. Felt that one all the way down, didn't you, honey?
I did.
Yep. Look at her. You're still kicking too. Okay. And she's got a little bit of atlas here. Okay. Tilt left. There you go. Better. Okay. We'll go ahead and decompress Christian this morning. There you go. Yes, sir. It still worked, didn't it?
Yep.
And look at there, he's still kicking. Okay. I don't have to. I wouldn't know where I was going. All right, deep breath through your nose. Yeah, there you go. Just like that. You feel that all the way down, Francisco? Yeah, see, I always deliver the goods on the ring dinger. Okay, tilt left. That's it. Tilt right.
Perfect. Next up, it's Dr. Brent Binder.
On here. There's more. And take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. Let it all sink in. Alright, now let this relax. Let your whole body like loosey goosey. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let it sink.
Oh, God.
Let this relax. Good. And take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's do this. Let me just kind of warm it up. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good. And let it go. Let it go. Let your head go. Let it like drop in like you were just laying in bed at night.
Oh.
Breathe. Relax, let this go, let it go. Okay, so nice soft breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Just let yourself relax. Good, sink in. Good, let it all sink. Breathe in and out. Good, nice gentle. Okay, loosey goosey here. Nice soft breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Okay, nice soft breaths in through your nose, and out through your mouth. Good, just let it go loose, 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 loose. Ooh. Good.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more chiropractic content.